Sarado na. Ang bigis.
Dito, hindi mababa.
Yes, Daddy!
Nalagyan ng chocolate sa'yo.
Matay lang.
With proper diet and exercise, cow shooting is made with bone and flesh. There's the right combination of nutrients to help keep your bones and joints strong with proper diet and exercise.
O, paano mo ito?
Doon po ang imbita.
Imbitado. Hindi may nakalipad talagang mga sampu.
Pula ang siguro ang yung nakakain. Hindi lang ang filter. Oo.
Ay,
Titingin daw siya ng prank. Anak ko kanina sa bahay eh.
Take the next right onto Sierra Madre Street, then turn left onto Mount Banahaw Street.
yung Innova. Ah, ganun.
Green Heights. Grand Heights pala.
In 400 meters, your destination will be on the right.
100 meters. Yo, ganda ka oh. Overlook. Overlook.
Tara.
Ah, yung hindi ako ano. Pula.
Ha?
Kung ano, kailan ko kuha na susi. Mahirap eh, kita ko eh. Wala ka namin sa mga outing.
So come back to me, down on my knees. I say I've been working overtime. Does the moonlight shine on Paris after the sun goes down? The London Bridge.
Habang matagal na akong matawalo. Hindi mo na ako nakapayat. Alam na rin eh. Salungugan mo kayo ka.
Ikaw yung buhok nini.
Bakit? Nasaan yung itera? Ako
Curly
papatayo
yan.
ng buhok. Ay, may...
Ah, si Swando. Si Swando na saan?
You walking down the aisle. How about the big hand to the proud parents, mommy and daddy, Emil and Maria, and of course the birthday girl, Lemon. Let's give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the proud parents. Together with Lemon. Isang malakas palakpakan, ladies and gentlemen. Alrighty. Okay, hi, everybody say hi! Alrighty, hi Lemon, you're gonna be here, Dad. We'll take a picture first. Okay, everybody look at our birthday girl. We have a little princess here. Okay, take a picture. And then Lola and Lola, are you here? You guys are here? Yeah, okay, I'll be calling you later for the photo op, ha? So, Lemon, say hi. There you go. Okay, sing happy birthday, and you guys going to have your lunch. Okay. Okay, Lola and Lola are here. Isa naman malakas ang palakpakan for them. Baby hand for them. Okay, mommy and daddy. Happy birthday. Everybody on the second floor, come on. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. This time we're gonna clap our hands faster. Here we go.
Bia.
Again, I'd like to say happy birthday, Baby Lemon, and of course, welcome to the Christian world.
Galing San Jose, California. Straight from California, California, San Jose, California. So maraming salamat sa pagpunta. Medyo maulan, hindi masyadong magandang weather, bumuhos ka ng ulan, pero thank you for taking your time. And si pare kasi andito, kasama ko sa tapaking.
So much for sharing your time today. So again, one of the best things that you can give to a person is your time.